The L-39 Albatross. Yes, there was a competition between two Russian types for that Russian Air Force requirement. This aircraft, which was initially designated the Yak UTS, and Mikoyan's offering the MiG-AT 2002 Yak pilot. As its version.
Yak 138 of Russian Air Force service just 3 years ago this month, although as of this year,
I'm going to have loads of videos to upload to YouTube.
customs confirmed export sales to Algeria and Syria, and in fact the Libyan regime under Colonel Gaddafi also confirmed the purchase of the Yak 130, but that was cancelled by the new administration in the wake of the events there last year. Weapons load, which includes such as C8 rockets or 4 R-73 air-to-air missiles.